And i-attend nyo lahat yung mga activities outside sa school nyo. May paskuhan, and everything. So, kami, we were 60 plus sa batch namin. Unlike you, mas marami kayo, mas masaya. Pero kami, one section lang. And some of us, as the class president, nakakausap ko naman sila, some of us, gusto nilang ang dream nila is makapasok sa UST lang, but for financial concerns, hindi nila nagawa. And some naman, gustong maka-experience, maka-graduate kasi they miss graduation. And katulad na sinabi ni Ma'am Giselle, is it Ma'am Giselle? Or, nakasama na kayo ngayon, tayo ngayon sa graduation ng UST. And who would have thought na I was able to march in the graduation twice, not once, but twice sa UST. So, yun. Tapos, ano ba, hindi ko na i-detail yung ibang yung courses and everything, baka ma-preempt. Ang kagandahan na yun for me, kasi hindi tayo teachers, di ba? So, doon sa program na yun, naiintindihan ko, ganun pala, bakit yung teacher natin ganun ng araw? Bakit ganito pala mag-compute ng grades? Ganito pala gumawa ng lesson plan? Ganito pala yung tamang classroom management? So, siguro doon, dahil sa gusto yung maging teacher, may excitement na you want to go to class every Saturday, kahit gaano kaaga pa yun, kasi meron kayo matututunan na bago. So expect high-quality lessons and education from high-quality professionals. And I always believe that it never escape my mind that we or I am standing on the shoulder of giants. Talaga, they gave us so much of they shared yung kanilang experiences and yung ginay tayo. And the mentors were a big help. Kahit ano pa rin sabihin sa kanila, kahit personal yung buhay, they are there to listen. Just a text away or a chat away, and even Facebook away. What else? Ayun. Since ano naman siya, once a week,